Improve your pronunciation.
Solar energy is produced from the sun rays. Producing solar energy makes no noise and no pollution, and require very little maintenance. In winter, sunlight is not available all the time. Gemstones. Amber also has a surprising secret. Many millions of years ago, amber was a sticky resin inside trees. As this sticky resin came out of the trees, lots of small plants, animals fell into it. After a million years or so, the resin became very hard and fossilized. It is this fossilized resin that we call amber. The plants and animals that fell into it are still inside, perfectly preserved.
Many people like precious stones, such as diamonds, emeralds, and rubies. I have always loved amber. I have a huge collection of more than 200 pieces, enough precious stone to fill a room. Amber is a usual precious stone because it does not sparkle at light. It has a rather dull appearance at first, but when you rub a piece of amber, it shines with a warm golden light. It also feels warm, not cold, when you touch it.